Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you how to make butter chicken. This is a favorite and popular dish at any Indian restaurant, and this recipe is super easy to make and the sauce is super rich and creamy, and you can serve this with your favorite basmati rice or naan. So let me show you how to make it. For the chicken, you're going to need 2 pounds of chicken breast that's cubed, 1.5 tablespoons of yogurt, half teaspoon of garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and the juice of half of a lemon. And for the sauce, you're going to need 1 onion that's chopped, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 3 medium tomatoes that's cubed, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, 3/4 teaspoon of garam masala and salt to taste, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 10 cashews, half cup of water, half teaspoon of KASTHOORI METHI, and 1/4 cup of heavy cream. A total of 5 tablespoons of unsalted butter and 2 tablespoons of oil. I used olive oil. Let's start by marinating the chicken. So in a bowl of chicken breast that's cubed, add in yogurt, ginger garlic paste, the spices, and the lemon juice. Mix the marinade in with the chicken till everything is well coated. Now set this aside to marinate for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Place a pan on medium heat and add in 1 tablespoon of the butter and 1 tablespoon of oil. When the oil is hot, add in the marinated chicken and cook till golden brown for about 5 to 7 minutes total. You will start to see water releasing from the chicken, but don't worry, let the water cook down and let the chicken cook till golden brown. When golden brown, transfer the cooked chicken to a plate and set aside. In the same pan, heat 1 tablespoon of butter and oil. Add in the chopped onions and saute till translucent. Now add in the ginger garlic paste and saute for another minute. Add in the cubed tomatoes and give this a quick stir. Then cover and let the tomatoes cook down on medium to low heat, and this should take about 4 to 5 minutes. Once the tomatoes are cooked down, add in the spices and give this a quick stir. Then pour in the water and give this another quick stir. Bring this to a simmer. Then mix in the sugar and the cashews. Transfer the sauce into a blender and blend till the sauce is smooth and creamy. Pour the blended sauce back into the same pan. I like to add a little water to the blender and give it a quick shake and pour it into the sauce to get all of the sauce from the blender. Now you can also run the blended sauce through a strainer into the pan if you like a smoother sauce. Add in the Kashthoori methi and the 3 tablespoons of butter to the sauce and mix it in. Now mix in the cooked chicken. Make sure all of the chicken is coated in with the sauce. Finally, mix in the heavy cream. Before serving, drizzle in a little bit of heavy cream and sprinkle in some cilantro. Serve this with basmati rice or naan. This is super easy to make and it's loaded with flavor. If you enjoyed watching this recipe video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to see more delicious recipes. And don't forget to check out my previous recipes, and I'll see you soon with a new recipe video. Thanks for watching. Bye!